They maltreat us as like animal, will not be anything. They go they beat us from morning to night. They go see the focus on no food, no water, nothing. Now the guy when I come the date, he come tell me say he wan carry me come Europe. Say one of his brother, one of his sister, they get one big supermarket. And I go say okay. Me myself, I don't know say na Libya they carry me they come. Cause I think say na village they carry me they go. Make I for go they do the supermarket. Me no know say na Libya they carry me they come. They cannot make on they use me to chop money when I don't know, I don't buy anything for their hand, I don't do anything. They just collect almost 200 there, almost 2.6 million. Now they collect from my hand for just I don't know anything. I don't even know what I do when they take collect that kind of amount for me. And the money when they talk now my body now they work out. If I know, say now so the country be I for not come.